up, y'all? So this video is gonna go a little bit more different than I planned it actually originally going. So in the meantime, I blew up the motor. So we got a new V18 in this thing. Just got that in, and so better time to actually get these VividTI fasteners put in. So we're going to we got the kit to do the turbo manifold here, and then we're gonna do that first part here since I gotta put the put it all back together anyway. So we're gonna bust those out. What we gotta do is we gotta pull these remaining studs out. We gotta clean the holes out, and then actually get the studs put in, and then I've got the top bolts as well for the top of the manifold. So I'm gonna put the helmet, the little head cam on, and show you guys how that's done. Make sure to clean it all out, and then we'll install them by hand, and then show you the end result, at least the manifold. And then I'm gonna do the fenders as well as the intake and everything else, all these body bolts. So we'll get that too, but right now I'm actually throwing the motor in, which is in another video. So this video is actually going to be, this part of it's actually going to be part of the VividTI install. So heck yeah, let's get this done. All right, so I've got this fender for the bolts. It's all ready. I'm gonna get this other fender put on real quick. You guys don't probably need to see that because you probably know how to take fender off. So I'm gonna get my other fender put on, then we can put all the bolts all the way around. You definitely wanna make sure when you do these studs that you clean the holes out in the head. Just spray them out real good. And then I also used, I'll show you. So I used NICs on the ends of them. And so basically you have, I've got a stud over here. So they come with a washer too. This one doesn't have the washer on it because I took it off. But that part goes into the head. You want to make sure that you get, put some NICs on there. That's at least what I do. And then just thread them in by hand. And then you can tighten them with the Allen on there. I believe it's an 8. Yeah, you just get those in there. You put the wrench in there and just get them in there by hand. Don't use an impact to put them in with, because as soon as you put this on, it's going to tighten the stud down anyways. So just want to be careful with that. So pretty sick. That's what's in the head right now to hold the manifold on. I've got more for the back for the intake. We'll get those on eventually here, and we'll put the rest of the body bolts on as well. So you are going to need a 12 point for these. So basically, in this pack, I've got everything, all the body bolts. I have the intake ones, like I said. I'm not gonna put those ones on right away. I'm gonna put the fenders on, the hood on, all that stuff. So we're gonna get into that. You do need a 12 point for these though. Let me see if I've got a blade up in here. The ghetto blade right here. So basically we'll grab one of these. Yep, they're definitely gonna be a 10. So they're a 12 point number 10. So just know that when you put these on, that's what you're gonna need. Alright, so we'll get these last few on here. I actually got the strut nuts on. You can see those here. That was included in the kit, so we ain't got those nasty ones anymore. I mean, look at this. Look at this, you know, the nasty bolts here, dude. I mean, that's what you're getting rid of, and it's, you know, look how good that looks. Makes everything else look like it needs to be clean now. So, we're gonna snap these other ones in here real quick. And, yeah. It's that easy. I can't remember, because I think we got enough to fill all the holes in the car. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't really care, they don't weigh anything. Something about titanium is it's super light. So you don't have to worry about all that. Yes. We don't want to mess that one up, so we'll just thread that guy in there. And you probably could use like a thread sealant. Oops. If you really wanted to on these guys. Just like an anti-seize or something. But yeah. Looks like that's pretty much all I got for the kit. I mean, we could fill holes for days. But yeah, looks awesome. Yeah, so you can kind of see we got them all in here. Super sick. They look 10 times better than what was in the car. And he does make the bolts. Like I said, I've got them on the manifold as well, the studs. I did all studs on the manifold. He actually gave me these other bolts. I believe they're these ones here. Nope, actually. Yeah, those are the ones. So those were supposed to be for the top of the manifold. If you can't use studs, you can definitely do those. I'll probably find a spot for those anyways. And then I've got obviously more bolts for the intake. They might end up on the intake. But yeah, it's coming in a package here. So Titanium TI, Josh Morford, hit him up. Kind of see, put it in the video. But yeah, they look a hell of a lot better than what was on the car. And super impressed. I like the gold finish. He does a bunch of other colors. VividTI. And yeah, hit them up. They got a Facebook, Instagram, and be putting more on here. So kind of gonna be it for this video. So I'm tired. We still got I don't know if you can see. We'll show you. We're gonna put the wheels on. I did put you can't even see, but they're drilled and slotted rotors on the car. What else are we doing? I got that turbo we're gonna upgrade. We're gonna go from the 3076 to a 35 ball bearing billet wheel. And there's a bunch of other things I got going for this thing too. We gotta fix this lens. That's sick. That came off. We gotta fix this paint. The clear is coming off on the car. Make it look better. We got tail lights coming. And I think we're gonna do wheels too for this thing. So I'm gonna put a picture up here on the wheels that I'm thinking. And you guys let me know. In the meantime, probably gonna move the battery in the back. Gonna get this all polished up, cleaned up. Get the break-in pretty much done on the motor. And yeah, super stoked about how these turned out. Super sick. I love it. I'm gonna get this one replaced with one. I'll probably put a different mount on that. I don't like the way that looks. And yeah, start cleaning up the motor even more. But those definitely clean the bay up a hell of a lot more. So, hell yeah, big shout out to VividTI. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. So, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. It's been a long weekend. Back to work. So, hell yeah, thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Go over to VividTI, check out their site. They got a Facebook, Instagram. I'll put all those links in the video. But hell yeah, have a good night, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Turn it on.